What's up guys? Another day, another player. Welcome to our reaction video. But then, before we start, kilalanin muna natin ang ating bida. Another inspiring career na naman ang ating ibabahagi. He is a graduate of BSHRM at BMA Global College, Bacolod City. After his graduation, he worked at Plantation Bay Resort and Spa, Mactan, for almost 3 years as a bartender. He transferred to Macau for bigger opportunities and worked there for 10 years as a bartender and became supervisor and now bar manager. Currently, he's working at Black Lotus Macau as operation manager. Wow! Presenting Jonathan Villarma Jr. Alright guys, so grabe yung achievement ng ating bida. Local appellation, Philippine Player Spartan, BMA Global College Bartending Organization, Negros Player Council. International appellation, IBA, International Bartenders Association as a member, UBCM, Union of Bartenders and Cocktail of Macau, Vice President for Player. Grabe! Ito guys, kung makikita nyo, actual competition niya to sa international. So, kitang-kita nyo naman 3 battles, buong buo yung kanyang routine dito. At napakalakas ng kanyang loob. Walang kakaba-kaba. Yan ang Pinoy. Local competition, 23. Champion, 16. Including GSM Player Idol, 2013. The rest, runner-up and finalists. International competition, 9. Champion, 2. First place, 4. Second place 1 and 2 best in cocktail. All competition held at Singapore, Taiwan, Denmark and Macau. Grabe, international talaga ang ating bida. Ito guys, another proof of player video competition ng ating bida. So makikita nyo talaga guys na very passionate at talagang nagre-represent talaga ng player tending competition ng ating bida. At hindi lang yan guys, meron pa siyang upcoming World Cocktail Competition this coming November 2025 at gaganapin to sa Colombia. So mabuhay ka Jonathan. So guys, itong 4 battles routine ni Jonathan, masasabi natin na talagang juggler tong ating bida, no? So gustong gusto ko tong routine niya to guys, kung mapapansin nyo, yung 4 battles niya napaka-relax, but then sobrang difficult na niyan. Especially yung nag-stall pa siya sa forehead niya. So napakaganda ng routine niya. This one, another 4 battles. Ito naman guys, ang nagustuhan ko dito yung cross niya. Yan. Nag-cross pa siya ng 2 battles habang the juggling. 4 battles and then continuous yung staggered niya. Alternate yan guys. 4 battles. So, napakalupit talaga ng ating bida. So, sa mga nakakakilala kay Jonathan, especially yung mga kababayan niya dyan sa Bacolod, so supportahan natin si Jonathan sa nalalapit niya na competition, yung kanyang World Cocktail Championship this November, gaganapin sa Colombia. So, congratulations in advance sa'yo, Jonathan, and maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak mo sa amin dito sa video na ito. So, hanggang sa muli, big respect and salute!